caution caution 名词谨慎小心，动词告诫警告。
The substance is poisonous and must be handled with a great deal of caution.
hollow hollow 形容词空心的空泛的。
Birds' entirely hollow bones make them light enough to fly.
raw material raw material 名词原物料。
Crude oil is the most important raw material for the plastic industry.
customize customize 动词定做定制。
Purchasers can customize their computers with specific hardware modifications.
assemble assemble 动词组装集合集结。
The 3D printer is lightweight and can be easily assembled.
output output 名词产量。
This invention enables us to increase output without hiring many more workers.
synthetic synthetic 形容词合成的人造的。
The car interiors are made of eco-sustainable synthetic materials.
mechanical mechanical 形容词机械的。
Doris plans to quit and pursue a master's degree in mechanical engineering.
industrial industrial 形容词工业的产业的。
3D printers have been extensively used for industrial and medical purposes.
crude crude 形容词粗制的未经加工的。
The crude product is impure and needs to be further refined.
factory factory 名词工厂。
The theater was turned into a furniture factory in 1918.
prototype prototype 名词产品原型产品雏形。
We found a company willing to help us create a prototype and mass produce it.
enhancement enhancement 名词提高增进。
Our employees are encouraged to get a master's degree for performance enhancement.
apparatus apparatus 名词器材设备。
Apparatus of this kind may be used to perform open heart surgery.
material material 名词材料素材，形容词物质的。
All our products are packaged in recycled or recyclable materials.
yield yield 名词产量生产，动词产出得出。
Such wear and tear can lead to higher maintenance costs and lower energy yields.
commence commence 动词开始。
The pipeline installation is expected to commence before the end of the month.
seal seal 名词密封装置封口封条，动词密封封上。
Toyota recalled over 750,000 vehicles for rubber seals at risk of allowing leaks.
remove remove 动词去除、移除、移开。
The chef suggested rubbing cutting boards with lemon to remove stains and odors.
flawed flawed 形容词有瑕疵的、有缺点的。
If you believe the product to be flawed, you may request for a refund.
conform conform 动词遵照、遵守、符合。
The architects assured us that the building plans conform to fire safety regulations.
speed up speed up 片语加速。
The softwares were all updated in order to speed up the research process.
repel repel 动词反抗、抵御、驱赶。
This chemical is generally used on crops to repel insects.
wrap wrap 名词包裹物，动词包起、包裹。
Wrap the light bulbs in bubble wrap before storing in a box.
constitute constitute 动词构成、组成。
Carbohydrates constitute over 40% of the energy bar.
machinery machinery 名词机械。
The company specializes in repairing and maintaining industrial machinery.
sturdy sturdy 形容词结实的、坚固耐用的。
Participants are advised to wear a sturdy pair of waterproof boots.
custom built custom built 形容词定做的、定制的。
The premium custom-built bookcases are made with hand-selected wood.
refine refine 动词精炼、提炼。
The consultant suggested sharpening our refining process to lower the production cost.
phase in phase in 片语逐步采用、逐步引进。
The new pricing strategies will start being phased in next year.
哟，听到这个音乐就代表这期影片当中的30个多益必考单字算是复习完毕啦。还记得我们从 Ebbinghaus 的遗忘曲线中所得出来的结论吗？与其一次长时间死命的背很多单字，倒不如运用每天琐碎的时间观看影片，将复习中间间隔的时间缩短，观看次数的频率拉高，才能提高记忆单字的效率哦。那如果觉得影片内容对你有所帮助的话，也请帮我按赞、订阅、留言、分享，让 YouTube 演算法知道这是一支值得推广的影片。好，这期影片到此就算差不多啦。我是 Parker， 这是帕克英文，我们下期影片再见啦，拜。